Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the foundation is ready. Your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated and Google Maps is installed on the phone. Open Google Maps on the iPhone, sign in, and grant precise location access so routes sync correctly. Next, open the Watch app, scroll to Google Maps, and install or enable it. Make sure notifications and location are allowed. Once done, tap the Google Maps icon on the watch to confirm the app launches and shows your current location. You now initiate navigation. Press Digital Crown, open Google Maps, or say, "Hey Siri, navigate to place with Google Maps" to start faster. Once a destination appears, pick a travel mode, walking, driving, or transit, because each mode changes guidance and haptics. If the route was started on your phone, use Send to Watch to mirror directions. This saves battery. While moving, the watch gives haptic taps and screen updates for ETA and next turn, so glance briefly to confirm the upcoming maneuver. You complete navigation by tapping End on the watch or stopping on your phone. This saves a recent route for quick reuse. If directions or location seem off, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then restart both devices because the watch often relies on the phone for accurate routing. Make sure precise location is enabled for Google Maps. If problems persist, reinstall the app or reset network settings. Doing so usually restores proper syncing and turn-by-turn haptics, so your next
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.